Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a DIY Tpost driver that I designed to use on my pallet forks that makes driving Tposts really simple. Last summer we drove I think 120 posts, and it took us, the two of us, about an hour and 10 minutes. This works really slick. It's easy to make. It is going to require a welder. I am not a welder. I will say that up front, so don't judge my welds. It works. It's held up. We've driven a lot of posts with it, as I said, but I'm going to show you that, how I made it, and how simple it is and how easy it makes driving Tposts.
Life's an adventure near and far. Join us today at Highland Hills Farm.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm going to show you how I made this. So what this entails is buying a trailer hitch, the receiver and the hitch. The receiver's over here, as you can see, that I mounted on my forks. It's just bolted down. So I mounted this on here first. You're going to need this on your tractor. And what I did after that is we built the actual driver. So this is the driver. This is the receiver hitch. All I did is take a piece of round 1/4-inch steel pipe, welded this top on it, and then welded these two ears on. And I used a big eye bolt, heavy-duty eye bolt inside here, and just with washers so that can pivot back and forth real easy. And I closed that eye bolt up for the weld just to reinforce it, to make it a little more sturdy. I bought the biggest bolts. I can't remember the grade on these bolts, but that's all I did, is just put where the ball would normally go is where I put the eye bolt up through. And I said put washers on the inside so that pivots real easy. And all we do is we just attach this into the receiver. You lock this in. And now, doesn't matter where you're moving your bucket, the fulcrum no longer changes, because this can easily pivot as you're coming down with your bucket to keep your post in straight. Which, if people are familiar, ever tried to do it, if this was just locked in, as your bucket comes down, it actually changes its angle as it's coming down, which makes it difficult to drive a post in straight. Where this driver here swings back and forth as you come down, it always stays straight and drives the posts. I mean, it's very simple. All you need is one person to just hold the post, and they set this down on top of the T-post, and you just drive it down with the hydraulics. It works really slick. So as you can see, guys, all you do is have somebody guide this down on top of your T-post, and I'll show you. I'm going to drive that in a little bit. The ground is frozen, so it may not go in as easy as it would in the spring or the summer when you're actually driving Tpost. But I'll just drive it down a little bit and show you how it stays nice and straight. Naturally, you drive that post a lot deeper than we just did, but I just want to show you for demonstration purposes. It drives a nice straight post, and it works really well. I highly recommend building one if you're driving a lot of T-posts. It just saves so much time. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. We'll do some more content, DIY content like this in the future. But if you like this video, just look down there, hit that subscribe button for us, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just put it down in the comments, and I'll answer those as soon as I get to it. But anyway, thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time from Highland Hills Farm.